Power your productivity with the DVM 5 HP Piston Air Compressor, designed for long-lasting performance and industrial-grade durability. Proudly manufactured by DVM Compressors. Key features: motor power, 5 HP, high-efficiency electric motor. Type, reciprocating piston compressor. Phase, single phase, 3-phase available. Cooling, air-cooled system. Build, heavy-duty cast iron body. Warranty, 1-year manufacturer. Warranty, made in India, built to perform. Ideal for automotive workshops and garages, CNC and fabrication units. Spray painting operations, pneumatic tools, and general industrial use. Bulk orders and dealership inquiries welcome. Durable, reliable. Built for industry. Contact us, DVM Compressors.